Hey guys, welcome back to DevPremier. In this series, I'm going to make a project on login and sign up system using PHP. So let me show you what we are going to build. This is the login page. This is the account page. Here you can create a new account. So I have implemented all the validations here. So if you are leaving any password or any field empty, so you will get these type of warnings here. Both passwords must be same. Password length must be minimum 8 characters. Here you can see that it is also returning the previous email address. So this is working using session. So let's enter here 8 characters password. So here we have registered a new account, and after that it redirected us to the home page. And this is the information of the user. This is the email. This is the ID of the user. This is the timestamp, and these are the two buttons. You can log out and you can also delete the account. Other details, these are just for the fancy stuff. This is not working. So now this is the login page. Here this is the remember me button. For this I have used cookies to store the information of the user in the browser. So here you can see that we have a cookie that is stored. Cookie name is logged in, and it's storing the content of the user as a string here. And if you forgot your password, you can also reset your password here. It will send the reset link to your email ID. So this is a demo link, so it will not work. So this is our project. So let's start with the registration page first. So first of all, we are going to build this page. I'm gonna only discuss about the backend mainly in this project. I'm not going to discuss about each and every design here. So I am using a template. I will leave the link of the template in the description. So first of all, we will create a database and a users table. So let's create a users table here. This is our database, yt underscore php underscore login underscore sign up. So here we will make a table users with 5 fields: id, 255 length, auto increment, and primary key. And here email varchar, let's keep it 200. Password varchar 200. Reset code for the forgot password. And this is the timestamp. And its default value is current timestamp. Storage engine is InnoDB, and save this. So this is our database. Now we will create a database connection file. So for all the backend, we will create a folder here named controllers. And in this folder, we will create a file db underscore connection dot php. Open the PHP tags, mysql underscore connect. The first parameter is the host name, which is localhost. Second is the username. Third is the password. and last one is the database name. Check connection. Let's check if we get any error in the database connection. So for that we will use mysql connect error. Fail to connect to mysql, and also print the error here. So this is how we will connect to our database, and here I am also creating a function for the base URL of the site. Let's name it site URL. Pass a parameter for the file name or path. The default value of the parameter is false, so it will return http $_server, and here we will use http_host. So here our local host is the http host, and then so I have hosted this website in the YouTube tutorials folder and then PHP login signup. Our main domain name is the PHP login signup. So just copy this and then .data. So this function will return the complete URL, this URL. So we will get this URL using this function. Now we'll include this file in the register page here. So we have here public header file. So in the commons folder, then public header.php. Here we will include the database connection file. So this is our register form. Here we are getting a warning. There is no file. It's because we have included the header file in the register page, and the register page is on the same root directory. So we have to go to just in the controller folder and then in the DB connection. So here we have to remove this dot. Now the error will be gone. So this is the form that we have to connect with the database. So here we have email address, password, and confirm password. I'm also creating a Git repo for this project, and if you want to get the fresh code, you can pull the master branch from my GitHub repo. The link is in the description. In the next video, I'll create the backend functionality for the sign up page. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell icon for instant notifications. Thanks for watching.